Macro photography reveals unseen wonders right before our eyes. But what if these stunning images hide a controversial truth? Macro photography reveals unseen wonders right before our eyes. But what if these stunning images hide a controversial truth? Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to a dive into macro ethics. We explore the hidden practices behind many viral shots. From delicate insects to vibrant fungi, the world shrinks. Photographers capture incredible detail, pushing boundaries constantly. Yet, some methods spark heated debate within the community. Today, we uncover macro photography's most divisive practices. Macro photography brings tiny worlds into sharp, vibrant focus. It showcases intricate insect structures, often missed by human eyes. This art form inspires awe, fostering appreciation for biodiversity. Capturing these moments requires immense skill and deep patience. Perfect lighting and composition are crucial for impactful images. The pursuit of perfection can sometimes lead down questionable paths. One controversial technique involves using bait to attract subjects. Photographers might use dead insects, nectar, or pheromone lures. This simplifies finding subjects, guaranteeing a desired species quickly. Critics argue this practice is unnatural and can cause harm. It introduces foreign elements, potentially disrupting natural behaviors. Dead insects can spread disease to living creatures, raising concerns. Organizations like NAMPA discourage baiting. Dead insects can spread disease to living creatures. Post-processing also raises questions about photographic integrity. Focus stacking combines multiple images for incredible depth of field. While technically complex, some debate its pure photographic nature. Compositing, merging different elements, further blurs reality's lines. A beetle from one shot, a leaf from another, creates new scenes. Extreme saturation or background manipulation can alter natural appearance. When does enhancement become outright misrepresentation of nature? These practices affect more than just artistic credibility, though. Repeated disturbance can stress animals, altering their natural cycles. Moving subjects for a better shot is always strongly condemned. Placing insects on artificial surfaces for aesthetic gain is unethical. The National Audubon Society advocates for leaving no trace principles. Our images influence public perception of wildlife and environment. Misleading photos can distort conservation messages and understanding. Ethical macro photography prioritizes subject welfare above all else. It means respecting habitats and minimizing any potential disturbance. Seek natural light, natural poses, and genuine, candid moments. Transparency about techniques used helps maintain photographic integrity. Learn about your subjects. Understanding their world enhances your art. True beauty lies in authentic captures, not forced compositions. Let's champion responsible practices for the future of macro. The debate highlights a crucial balance: art versus ethics. Our choices shape macro photography's legacy and perception. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.